There's nothing like a great prank. But with food in the mix, you can take things to a whole new level. Happy pranking, friends! Please don't wake up! Please don't wake up! Here's my chance! Look at Naomi sleeping so peacefully. She seems pretty out of it. Yep, total Sleeping Beauty status. Think she'll like her new mustache? Thomas? Hi, Naomi. Get out of my room, you nut! He thinks he's so slick, huh? Is this toothpaste? What a stupid prank. But if he wants to play this game, I'll partake. Toothpaste is his weapon of choice. But I'll show him just how to use it. It's showtime. Everyone loves gummy worms, right? But would you brush your teeth with them? They sure taste delicious. Let's get the materials together. Open up the tube of toothpaste. Snag a thin gummy worm. And push it into the tube. Be as gentle as you can. Then screw the cap back on. That ought to shake up his morning routine. I almost forgot the gummy worms! Thomas! Fancy meeting you here. Have a good brush. Well, these teeth do feel grimy. Nothing a little scrub can't fix. But little does Thomas know, toothpaste worms are lurking. Huh? Are those… Ah! Our bathroom's infested! Man, I love spaghetti day. Mind if I join you, Thomas? Do you have to make that sound? So much for eating in peace. Jeez, does she have to slurp like that? It's totally nauseating. Talk about zero manners. Gross. Pardon my reach. That's better. Was this chick raised by wolves? I'm just gonna move this over here. Oh, sorry. I almost forgot about my soda. Sticky little guy. I'll wait till she's finished. Ooh! What's up, lady? Now's my chance. Whoops. Hey, your book. How did that even happen? I can be rude at the table, too. Hope you like hot sauce donuts. Looks like jelly, right? My book has been saved! Wait till you try the donuts. Don't have to twist my arm. Ugh! Why is this thing so spicy? I need water. Stat! Forget it! I need a fire hose! Nothing better than lunch and a show. This suspense is killing me! Oh, I'm out already? I don't guzzle my sodas like you. Or maybe I do. Loser. Whatever. Alright, who's getting the refills? Scissors beat paper! Wait, will you get popcorn too? Thanks a bunch! Will you get popcorn too? She thinks she can boss me around. Any sodas left? I could sure use a sugar boost. I'll just take a quick sip. Stupid tab! This smells like the perfect prank. Use a spoon to lift the tab. Don't lift it all the way. Just a little bit. Use another can and link their tabs like this. And now we wait for the explosion. Alright, Naomi. Here's your ice-cold soda. Thank you! Aren't you gonna take it? And one tug is all it takes, folks! Check out that soda shower! I didn't know I'd be the one in the splash zone! Are you okay? Well, that prank sure backfired. How could I be so stupid? At least I got my soda. Oh, and you're a loser, by the way. Whatever. Are we rewinding the movie or what? Oh, come on! Hey, Naomi. Cereal for breakfast, huh? Hey! What's up? It's mine! Fine. This dog food is everywhere. I suppose I'll clean it up. This cereal sure looks like kibble. Almost indistinguishable. Let's see. Bingo! That's truly repulsive. Into the bowl you go. Looks like cereal, doesn't it? Now for my actual breakfast. I'd better not get these confused. Can't forget about the milk. Some for me and some for you. Gross. Breakfast is served. I poured you a bowl, Naomi. Much better. Chocolate puffs, your favorite. Thanks, Thomas. Hope you can keep it down. Oh, what is this? This isn't chocolate, is it? Say hi to the bathroom for me. I like to bake on a clean surface. And the oven's good and hot. Let's see how these bad boys turned out. They sure smell fantastic. Blueberry muffins are the best. Oh! Hi there! What's up? Wait! Want one of my famous muffins? You don't? You'd rather eat this garbage? What's in here anyway? Sugar soda? A stale old chocolate muffin? These things are atrocious! Why do I even bother? It's time I was appreciated around here. This thing opens up, right? For this unique recipe, flour's the only thing I need. That should be enough, right? He's coming! Act natural. See ya! Want some? Oh, I couldn't. And now you see exactly why. What did you do, Naomi? Should have taken a muffin, Thomas. Remind me to add flour to our grocery list. Think these food pranks were finger-licking good? Why don't you try some of them out yourself? Just don't be surprised when you don't have any friends left. Watch these yet? Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss out!